playing staple guns.
Do it on the ground.
What the fuck?
Let's just put tons of them. Down on the ground, ow!
Fuck off! Oh, come on then. I bet you won't even be able to shoot me.
Me?
Fuck off!
We're making a tree! Alfie, make it.
Alright, do that coin thing again.
Get me loads of leaves, everyone. Get leaves. Yeah. Everyone get loads of leaves and we'll make a tree. This is gonna be sick. Do it to the small one. Just Billy and Tommy keep getting trees. No, do it to this one. Do it to all of them.
Well, I wonder how this is going to progress. Selfie with the leaves.
Let's just take
The staple crew.
No, don't. Leave.
Look at this progression. We are making bushes with staple guns. What? Say hi, Josh.
Hi.
Who needs bins when you've got
Staple guns.
staple guns? This is gonna take forever. Look, give it like I'm taking a guess. It's gonna be about 3 hours.
No, we'll have it done.
Yeah, mate. So basically, the staple shit, but I don't care. They're gonna take forever, man. I think it's gonna take like 3 hours approximately, but we're gonna have a look. I kind of deleted that video I posted the other day, the last video. It's talking about me. If you ain't even seen it yet, then don't listen to this bit, but I'm gonna do a whole new one because I didn't like it. Yeah, it's still shit, but let's see how this progresses. The progression.
Is there a staple?
So far, so good.